Ki kambalai ke balai Hagitrat rekam sarkar Meghalaya para NEIGHRIMS Shillong. Ki District Social Welfare Meghalayan Medical Drug Services Limited nanta DHS Directorate of Health Services nanta Meghalayan Natural and Organic Farming. Ini dapat kawai hedin ko ipan. Karena kawai ke panengkong kedai kambalai Meghalayan Medical Drugs and Services Limited. Ki dan arteli ki post kawai kadai ka post MRI technician. Sauteli ki post as per MMDSL norms. Nah itu ki qualification experience ka place of posting West Garo Hills nanta warehouse. Assistant kapos kawai as per MMDSL norms kajing siu class 12 pass or equivalent experience and competencies posting Southwest Garo Hills. Qualified interested candidates may attend their working interview with the following documents. The competent registration time is from 9:30 to 11 a.m. Interview date. These are the timing for the work interview: 22nd, I'm a technician, 4th April. But for this warehouse assistant, the day of the interview has been preponed to 21st April 2025. This is the notice, corrigendum notice for the preponed notice of the walk-in interview for the post of warehouse assistant from 24th preponed 21st. Interested candidates who cannot attend the walk-in interview in person may attend online. Online also it's allowed for attending for this post warehouse assistant. These are the information for attending the online interview. We have to register, applying that https://mdsl.in/application-form. Like Directorate of Social Welfare. Program Manager one post see what they'll stop and hajar live pass of program assistant kami post kalah hajar as pass of namta program assistant kadai plan +2 with diploma in computer. State Adoption Resource Agency postgraduate degree in social welfare. Namta program manager sociology, child development, human rights, public administration, psychology, psychiatry, law, public health, community resource management for recognized university. 3 years experience. Most preferably postgraduate degree in law and proficiency in computer. Kini post balai Directorate of Social Welfare. Ka walk-in interview kibo haka apply tarik. Walk-in interview kadai 23rd April 2025. Dan am Directorate of Social Welfare Lower Lachumia Shillong Meghalaya. Dan taka post balai Directorate of Health Services Meghalaya. Compliance Officer. One post jeng siulai perusahaan hajar per month nanti qualification lebat itu posting long experience job skills. Nangta kedan saka post post Quality and Data Manager kadai kawai ke post kajing siulai pawajar man penai ja posting kadai Shillong. Qualification bachelor's or master degree in IT, healthcare, informatics, genetics, computer science, statistics or mathematics. Experience 1 to 3 years skills kita apa itu takadan saka risk and safety manager kawai ke post lai pawajar jing si man penai. Qualification bachelor's master degree in healthcare management, hospital administration or management or public health. Experience 2 to 5 years, key skills, risk identification, posting Shillong. The last date to submit application online through Google Form, given the link there, it's 5 p.m. 2nd May. So along with all the soft copies, certificates, and job experience. Tangin pet sa kampalait Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture Magnolia. Post palai kidai technical assistant inductively coupled plasma graduate postgraduate degree in instrumentation. Desired experiences number of posts 1 post research official law 26,000 plus other allowance. Experience skill in operation of thermic absorption spectroscopy, inductive coupled plasma ICP, liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, the gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, GCMS equipment. Required skills. Post technical assistant soil testing graduate repository in agriculture or horticulture. South League Post District Agriculture Office Nongstoin, but District Agriculture Office William Nagar 26,000 plus other allowance. 1 year of skill experience for conducting the soil analysis work in the laboratory and soil testing. Last date of application link back to Google Form kadai Praterik April acar pesan 28 April 2025. How to apply online application form, Google Forms, selection process, general information. Dapat sa post balai apa NEIGHRIMS sila post kalai deka program technical support to 1 post 12 science possible diploma BMLT MLT plus 5 years experience in microbiological diagnostics. 3 years graduate degree in microbiology plus 2 years of research and laboratory experience related to microbiological diagnostics. Interview date 28 April 2025. 24,000 per month. Contract it's up to 19/12/2025. And I walk interview. Haka Praterik. Kani kampala po NEIGHRIMS.